Hello, my name is Marissa Furman, and today I'm going to be talking about social emotional development. Vygotsky proposed that children learn through interactions with their surrounding culture. This theory, which is known as cultural perspective, is the cognitive development of children and adolescents, which is enhanced when they work in their zone of proximal development. In order for children to be ready for this, they need the help of adults or more competent individuals to support them as they are learning new things. Social emotional development is the ability for individuals to develop positive relationships that are healthy and rewarding. In order for this to occur, people have to be empathetic towards others and understand the feelings of others as well. Responsive caregiving. Responsive caregiving sends children the message that they are important and that their needs will be met and their unique temperament and characteristics are respected. Emotional security. Emotional security is the measure of the stability of an individual's emotional state, and these individuals have the ability to express their emotions and relate to others. Temperament. This is the combination of mental, physical, and emotional traits of a person. The natural predisposition, unusual personal attitude, or just the nature as manifested by uniqueness of feelings, temper, action, etc. These often with a reluctant to submit to conventional rules or restraints. Emotional regulation is a complex process that involves initiating, inhibiting, or controlling one's state or behavior in a given situation. Um, Functionally, emotional regulation can also refer to the process such as the tendency to focus one's attention to a task and the ability to suppress inappropriate behavior under instruction. Impulse control. People with this disorder really can't resist the urge to do something harmful to themselves or others. This includes addictive behavior as well as making rash decisions without considering any of the consequences. Social understanding. Like people with autism and people with Asperger's syndrome, they have a hard time understanding what is going on socially, and they really lack social skills and understandings of social cues when they're given by others. Affective. This describes something that has been influenced by emotions and is a result of emotions or expresses emotion. Affective people are heavily influenced by their own emotions. Empathy. This is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. These individuals can really relate to others' feelings, even if they have never experienced the same situations. Self-efficacy. This is the belief when we have in our own abilities, specifically our ability to meet the challenges ahead of us and complete a task successfully. General self-efficacy refers to our overall belief in our ability to succeed. Sense of self. Rather than going through life and focusing on external issues, a person with a strong sense of self focuses inward. They really care about what they think about themselves and believe and relate to others more than outward influences.